Driving a truck means long hours on the road, and the last thing you need is a he said, she said situation after an accident with no proof of what really happened. A quality dash cam isn't just a nice to have anymore. It's your silent witness, your insurance protector, and sometimes the only thing standing between you and a false claim. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best dash cams specifically built for truckers, covering everything from night vision performance to parking mode reliability. Let's get into it. Starting strong at number 1, we have the VIOFO A329S 4K 60 FPS dash cam. This is the world's first dash cam to record in 4K at 60 frames per second. Now, you might be thinking, do I really need 60 FPS? The answer is yes, especially when you're trying to capture a license plate on a car flying past you at highway speeds. That extra smoothness makes all the difference. The front camera records in 4K while the rear captures in 2K, both using Sony's Starvis 2 sensors. These sensors are specifically designed for low light conditions, which means your nighttime footage won't look like a grainy mess. The dynamic range is 2.5 times wider than previous models, so you're getting clear details whether you're driving through a tunnel or into direct sunlight. Here's something most people don't talk about: storage. The A329S supports external SSDs up to 4 terabytes. That's not a typo. You can record for over 3 weeks straight without overriding anything. For truck drivers doing long hauls, this is genuinely game-changing. And with Wi-Fi 6 technology, you can download a 1-minute 4K video to your phone in under 10 seconds. Now, the one downside? Price. This premium performance comes with a premium price tag, between $300 and $400. But if you're serious about having the absolute best footage quality and the most storage options, this is your top pick. Check the link in the description box for current pricing. At number 2, we've got the Garmin X110 Dash Cam. This compact dash cam records in 1080p HD with a 140-degree field of view. Now, that's not the widest angle or highest resolution on this list, but here's where Garmin shines: reliability and user experience. The X110 features a built-in Garmin Clarity polarizer. This reduces windshield glare significantly, so you're getting clearer footage of important details, even when the sun is hitting your windshield at harsh angles. Combined with Garmin Clarity HDR optics, the camera captures crisp details, both in bright daylight and low-light conditions. What makes this really convenient for truckers? Voice control. Just say, "Okay, Garmin," and you can save videos, start or stop audio recording, all without taking your hands off the wheel. That's huge when you need to capture something quickly while keeping your focus on the road. The 2.4-inch LCD display on the back lets you review footage immediately without pulling out your phone or laptop. It's got built-in GPS that logs your speed, location, and route, perfect for insurance claims when you need to prove exactly where and when something happened. Now, here's the trade-off you need to know about. The X110 uses a lithium battery instead of a supercapacitor. In extreme heat or cold, which truck drivers deal with constantly, lithium batteries don't perform as reliably as supercapacitors. The battery isn't replaceable either, so that's something to consider for long-term use. But if you value the Garmin brand reputation, want a clean user interface, and appreciate that built-in screen for quick playback, the X110 is a solid choice at around $200. Check the description box for the Amazon link. Coming in at number 3 is the VANTRUE N4 3 dash cam. You're getting a 155-degree front camera, 165-degree interior cabin camera, and a 160-degree rear camera, all recording simultaneously. Here's what makes this interesting. You can switch between 2 modes. In triple channel mode, you get 1440p front, 1440p interior, and 1080p rear. But if you don't need the interior camera running, you can switch to dual mode and get 4K on the front with 1080p on the rear. That flexibility is really useful depending on what kind of driving you're doing. The interior camera uses infrared LEDs, so even in pitch black conditions, you're getting clear cabin footage. For truck drivers, this is valuable for documenting your cargo area or simply having proof of what's happening inside your vehicle during an incident. The rear camera has a full 360-degree adjustment, so you can position it exactly where you need it regardless of your truck's setup. The one catch? The price sits between $280 and $380, which isn't cheap, but while the 1440p resolution is solid, it's not quite as sharp as true 4K when you're zooming in on details. But for the 3-channel coverage and extreme temperature reliability, it's an excellent middle ground option. Check the description for the Amazon link. Number 4 is where we start getting into serious value territory, the Redtiger 4K Dash Cam. This is a dual-channel system with 4K front recording and 1080p rear, and it comes in at just $85 to $130. Yeah, you heard that right. Despite the budget-friendly price, this isn't a budget camera. The front lens uses the same Sony Starvis 2 sensor that you find in way more expensive models. You're getting a 170-degree front view and 140-degree rear view, both with an f1.5 aperture. That large aperture combined with HDR and WDR technology means your night footage is genuinely impressive for this price range. The Wi-Fi runs on 5.8 GHz, giving you download speeds up to 20 megabytes per second. You can pull footage to your phone quickly without waiting around. The 24-hour parking mode includes time-lapse functionality, and they actually include the hardwire kit in the box. Most brands make you buy that separately. Here's something important. This uses a supercapacitor design just like the VANTRUE. That means better heat resistance and longer lifespan compared to battery-based cameras. It comes with a free 128GB memory card included. Now let's be real about the limitation here. While the daytime 4K footage looks fantastic, the rear camera is only 1080p, and in very low light situations, it doesn't quite match the performance of the premium models. The build quality is also slightly less robust. It's good, but you can feel the difference compared to cameras twice the price. Links in the description below. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. This is another budget-conscious option that still packs some serious features. The front camera records at 3840 by 2160 resolution with a 150-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, while the rear captures 1080p at 140 degrees. The front camera uses Sony's IMX675 Starvis 2 sensor with an f1.5 aperture, which should theoretically give you solid low-light performance. It has built-in GPS that tracks your speed, direction, and exact location throughout your trip. The dual-band Wi-Fi supports both 5G and 4.2G, with download speeds reaching 20 megabytes per second through the Rove app. Parking mode gives you 3 options: 1 frame per second time-lapse, motion detection, or collision detection with voice alerts. It uses supercapacitor technology for heat resistance and comes with a free 128GB memory card included. The price sits between $110 and $150, which puts it in affordable territory while still offering dual-channel recording and GPS functionality. If you're primarily driving during daylight hours and want GPS tracking with dual cameras on a tight budget, this could work for you. But if you do a lot of night driving, which most truck drivers do, you might want to spend a bit more on the Redtiger F7NP instead. Amazon link is down in the description. Before you make your final decision, think about your specific needs. All the purchase links are waiting in the description box below with current prices and any available discounts. Thanks for watching, and drive safe out there.